Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this quick video. Going to be talking about battery life on the LG Wing. Just getting some gas and I'm going to head over to Lowe's. I got to pick up some stuff for my wife. Then I'm going to go get a haircut and do a couple more chores. So what I'm going to do is throw up some screenshots, and I want you to look at those screenshots, and if you have any questions on those screenshots, you can leave some feedback down below in the comment section. I'm not going to go into a lot of information on what I do and what I don't do. If you want to ask me those type of questions, you can leave that down below in the comment section. For the most part, a lot of you know what I do and what I don't do when it comes to testing battery life. Any smartphone that I have brought in, that I have or will be bringing in, pretty much goes through the same reviewing process. You know, they gotta pass as a phone. Then you got performance, functionality, battery life. Testing out the display, the speakers, or if they have one speaker like the LG Wing does, which I'm using right now, obviously, to do the dual recording mode, which I totally dig, man. The smartphone is so much fun. So much fun. I am digging my experience with this phone in so many ways. And battery life is just one of those areas that it's getting the job done. And again, look at the screenshots. And if you want to know what I do a little more in depth, I will answer those questions for you. But Team My Project 13 knows what I do and what I don't do. If you're new to the channel, please ask. I don't mind chit-chatting with you down below in that comment section. But, you know, the basics is those areas that I talked about that I test the devices in when they come in. But, you know, there's content I create and editing and all of that. And you can ask me what apps I use. But there's a lot that I do, man, whether I'm pushing them hard or going a little easy on them to see what the difference is in battery life. There's so much that goes on with that specific area and so many different variables. And it's going to be different than what you do and what you get. There's always going to be some similarities, but even then it's going to be different. So it just goes into a lot of different areas where this video could just go on forever. So you've been looking at the screenshots, and again, any questions on that, ask me down below. And if you're not getting good battery life on the LG Wing, there can be reasons why, and I can discuss that with you. And so, yeah, that's it, man. And for me, battery life has been great. I will let you know that all the content I create is done on all the smartphones that I've had, have, and will have. Don't use computers. Don't use laptops or tablets. It's the smartphones themselves, whether they've been flagship smartphones, mid-range smartphones, or budget smartphones. They all go through that same process, and it's a fun journey to utilize them to create content. So anyway, you've seen the screenshots. Anything else you want to talk about? It doesn't have to pertain to this video. You can ask down below, and I'll do my best to give you an answer. If I don't have the answer, I'll leave you a link to someone who does, or whether it's another YouTuber or an article over at some website that you can get an answer to those questions. But there is a lot of YouTubers that I support and I follow, and I will always throw out their channels to so you can check out their content and get those answers that you need if I can't give them to you. So anyway, thanks a lot for coming on by and checking out this vid. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. God bless, peace, stay safe and healthy. I am out.